Hey guys, what is up? This is my Verde Theory 2013, and after I got my dance comp order, I decided to do a review on it because it's not so much. It's all aftermarket basically now, so I'll start from the bottom. Start from the bottom now here. So first we got the FAF Fit, 110 psi, tan wall. Loving them. That's for my old bike, which is over there stripped or just everything. Just took it off it. We got the Cinema 77 rim, blue, very nice. Both double wall front and back, blue valve cap. Go to the back rim. Fit FAF tan wall. Yeah, blue Cinema 77 rim. Double wall, blue valve cap, nice. Oh, we got the Verde 2013 frame, integrated logo, Verde forks, stock crank, Duo brand, pivotal seat post, blue Duo brand. It's a good seat. It's very nice, but it scrapes on my legs and it just gives me rashes. And it's fucking annoying as hell, actually. But, yeah, it's not a bad seat. Then we got the Animal Hamilton blue pedals. Loving them a lot. They're actually, like, really awesome. So I like those. So recently, this is what I just got. I got the We the People Mad Max bars, 8.7 rise. My old bars were 8.6 rise, so I decided to get bigger. It took a while to get used to it, but I'm loving them. 28.25 width, up sweep and shit. I'm not sure. Really didn't know what that even meant, actually. Got the Animal Blue Edwin grips. They're actually not wearing out, so that's pretty good. Very nice, liking them. And I got the Animal bar ends, which are freaking awesome. They match my rims too. And I got a Hero headset. I just got that because my old headset was stripped and I bought it off some friend. So I will show you what my old headset looked like and my old handlebars after I am done this. After I'm done this, and I'll also show you my dance comp order. So switch the bike around. We got 25 sprocket. I actually never counted it yet, but 5-tooth, whatever, just 5-tooth that shit, and yeah. I honestly don't know what it's called. I just forgot. Blue, navy blue KMC chain. Nice, very good chain. And that should be about it. So this is my Verde Theory 2013. Yeah, it's awesome bike. Loving it a lot. Never had a pop tire yet. Really nothing was wrong except the headset and the handlebars were stripped at the same time. So I'll go show you my old handlebars and headset. Be right back.